If you've ever seen a woodpecker peck, then you might imagine Brittany Bronson was in a peck of trouble when she ended up with a woodpecker in her hair.
Did you scream?
No, I was just like, okay, so this just happened.
The baby woodpecker had slammed into a glass window at Brittany's North Carolina home, so she went to investigate.
He's kind of looking at me like this, and then he jumps on my head.
She headed around to the front door to get her brother,
Colton, can you come help me?
Colton, to the rescue.
What is going on? Why is that thing on your head?
As if it were a hat.
What the hell am I supposed to do?
Oh no.
I would be freaked out that the woodpecker would start pecking.
Oh, I was like this, so I was trying to, cover my eyes and my face.
Brittany's brother methodically started to untangle the bird's feet from Brittany's hair. How are you so calm? TikTok viewers marveled. In moments, her brother, an engineer, freed the woodpecker and gently set it down. Folks online naturally called it Woody. Next morning, it hopped towards Brittany as if she were Mom. Brittany put it in a cat carrier and took the bird to Holly's Nest Animal Rescue. It's too young to feed itself, and since the parents seem to have disappeared, the woodpecker will be rehabbed here.
My mom used to make the joke when I was a kid, you need to go brush your hair, it looks like a bird's nest.
And since she was wearing it up,
Well, that does look like a nest.
Yeah.
and if the bird couldn't get to the nest came to the bird.
I just thought it was freaking out.